Hey, hello there. How you doing today? This is going to be a quick one. Just want to tell you something about me. I think it's not a weakness. It's just my personality. You know what that is? Is that I don't like showing up. Yeah, I don't just like showing up, but I'm showing up now because I've got a message that is vital, that must be get across to people. It is the message of the gospel. It is something that will defy you. And necessity is on me. I don't want to come to the end of this journey and give excuse to God for not getting the message how. If not for that, I always want to stay my own word and don't disturb anybody. But you see, if people don't hear the truth, how can they become free? Knowledge is power. And I want to appreciate and thank God for all of those wonderful people out there who put in awesome things on different platforms to bless people. I've gleaned from a whole lot of things too, YouTube, Facebook. But what I'm saying that I don't like about showing up, before COVID, I didn't go to Facebook for almost 3 or 4 years. COVID forced me to get back on Facebook for that period so that we can reach out to our people. As soon as COVID went, you know, left, because COVID came and left, I also left the Facebook. I was not in there for almost another 2 or 3 years. My presence there was not, active until recently that I realized now I've got friends. I need to reach out to people with what God has shown me, things that are working for me, and to share with them. All right. I just want to say that maybe you're at the time that you love showing up, just appearing, doing things. Kudos to you. Well done. I just give you a caution that let your intention be right. Make sure you're actually giving out things that will edify and build people. Yeah, you can be an entertainer, make people laugh. And then after laugh, they are edify. I think those are the two words. As you give out contents and show up there, your pictures, your videos, your contents, please let them be God glorifying, because you're going to give account back to Him, and let them be edifying, glorifying, edifying. Glorify God, edify people, because you're going to give back account to. They want to give you the grace, the talent, the ability to be able to do it. Yeah, these have been my two guiding principles. The principle of glorifying God, the principle of edifying people. And I think they always put me in check. And I'd like to encourage you to explore it too. You will see that you're on the right path. The Lord bless you. And even if you don't show up, you're not a content kind of person, you don't, let it be that everything you do at your space, in your level, be to glorify God and to edify people. You see how fulfilled you become. And after all is said and done, you realize that you've not wasted your life. You have actually harnessed it properly, used it properly. The Lord bless you. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Keep living a life that is God glorifying and people edifying. Shalom.